Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart, and today I'm going to show you how I crochet a border for a round or oval rag rug. Okay, I'm just going to be using the same material that I crocheted my rug with. I'm going to start by forming a slip knot. I'm going to start by casting on with a slip stitch. I'm just going to put my hook through a stitch and pull up the yarn, and then I'm going to pull that yarn through the loop that's on the hook for a slip stitch. Now I'm going to chain 5. I'm just going to put my yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I'm going to skip the next stitch, skip that one, and I'm going to go into the next one, and I'm going to slip stitch, where I'm just going to put my hook through the stitch, grab onto the yarn, and pull it through the loop that's already on the hook for a slip stitch. And then I'm going to go into the very next stitch and do another slip stitch. Okay, now I'm just going to repeat by chaining 5. I'm going to skip the next stitch, skip that one, go into this one, the next one, and slip stitch into that. Then I'm going to go into the next stitch and slip stitch into it. I'm going to repeat it and chain 5. I'm going to skip a stitch, go into the next one, and slip stitch into it. And I'm going to skip the video to the end of this row. I'm at the end of the row, so now I'm just going to skip that stitch, go into the next one and do a slip stitch. And now I'm going to slip stitch into the stitch where I cast it on. I'm going to put my hook through the space that I made with the chain and pull up the yarn. I've got 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops for a single crochet. I'm going to put 2 more single crochet in. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to put 3 more single crochet in. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to go into the next space, and I'm going to put in 3 single crochet. So there's 1, and I'm just going to push that single crochet down a little bit, There's 2 and 3. I'm going to chain 1 and then put in 3 more single crochet into the same space. Okay, I'm going to go into the next space and I'm going to put in 3 single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1 and put in 3 more single crochet into that space. I'm going to skip the video to the end of the row. Okay, I'm at the end of the row and I've got 1 more single crochet to put in that space. And now I'm just going to slip stitch it into that first single crochet right there. I'm going to chain 1 and cut off a long tail to weave in. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the icon and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.